First versus second conditional. Let's look at two conditionals, the first and the second, and at the difference between them, because that's where most students get confused. First conditional. Every conditional sentence has two parts. One part starts with if, this is the condition. The other part starts with the result. If it rains, we will stay home. If it rains, that's the condition. We'll stay home, that's the result. You can also change the order. We'll stay home if it rains, the meaning is the same. Just remember, when the sentence starts with if, you need a comma in the middle. When it starts with the result, you don't. We use the first conditional for real possible situations in the future, things that can actually happen. The formula is if plus present simple, will plus verb. If I finish work early, I'll call you. If she studies, she'll pass the exam. If you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. If we take a taxi, we'll get there faster. Look at all of these. They are possible. Maybe I will finish work early. Maybe she will study. There are real options in the real world. One important thing, after if we don't use will, not if it will rain, just if it rains. The will goes in the other part only. The second conditional is for situations that are not real, imaginary. Something we only dream about or something that is impossible right now. The formula is if plus past simple, would plus verb. If I had more time, I'd learn Spanish, but I don't have time, it's not real. If I won the lottery, I'd buy a house by the sea. I probably won't win. If she spoke French, she'd work in Paris. She doesn't speak French. If I live closer, I'd visit you every week. But I live far away. We use the past form here, but we are not talking about the past. We are talking about now or the future, just an imaginary version of it. And one special case. With the verb to be, we usually say were for everybody. If I were you, I'd take the job. Not if I was you. You will hear was in casual speech, but were in the correct form. And it sounds better in an interview or at work. Now let's compare. Same idea, two versions. If I have time, I'll help you. Real, maybe I'll have time today, there is a good chance. If I had time, I'd help you. Not real, I don't have time. Sorry. So the question you ask yourself is simple. Is this possible or am I just imagining it? Possible, first conditional. Imagining, second conditional. Now it's your turn. I'll give you the beginning of a sentence. Pause the video, finish it out loud, and then continue. If I have free time this weekend, it's real situation, so use will. If I won $1 million, imaginary, so use would. If it rains tomorrow, if I could live in any country in the world, if I were the boss of my company. Say each one out loud, full sentence, not just the endings, and write your favorite one in the comments and I'll check it. See you in the next lesson.